That's what I'm talking about. Iceberg, 2006. Remember this? Yeah. Damn, this record takes me way back, the day that I said the words I love you. I'm not the kind to say that. I spent my nights in the streets where beef cooks. Shook cats get lifted off their feet with heat nobody loves. You can feel the cold in they hugs as each man checks his weapon and protects his life. The last thing on my mind was ever having a wife. No, I'm not the type to do that. I can't commit to that. But then you stepped to me, blew my whole spot up, dropped me to my knees, and I still don't think I got up. You made me reevaluate my G. Now I'm gangster for you, baby, you gangster for me, and we walking. You know. Come on, girl. The truth is, it ain't easy for a brother from the streets to ever show affection or to aim in that direction. When we roll, you by my side, I feel pride. And my partners got no problems cause they know that you're true. And if anything jumps off, I taught you just what to do. Get low, get the bail money, call up the crew. You take a bullet for me, I take a bullet for you. We a duo, strolling girl, you know how we do. We just walking. Yeah, girl. Break it down. Yeah, you know, it comes a time in every man's life, player, hustler, whatever, that he realizes that he needs that companionship of a woman, strong woman to hold him down through them cold nights, through them hardships and pains and struggles of the streets. Church! Realize I've grown a lot, I had to get shot before I understood that you come in this world and die alone. Don't wanna spend my life chasing flash and cash. I'd rather whip through the ghetto with your feet on my dash. The homies understand and they looking for a girl of their own, so they can get out these streets and stay home. It's cold when you got no one, but I found mine. As long as we together, girl, I know we'll be fine, cause we're walking. Come on. Yeah, girl. We're just holding hands, holding our pistols, rubbing your booty. Yeah, baby.